Welcome to this series on VoiceOver, the out-of-the-box macOS screen reader. This is a series of videos that's going to go in depth on the experience of using a screen reader so that you can check your work or make improvements, whether that's from a design or a development perspective, marketing, etc. I'd also encourage you just to watch all of these for your own benefit of empathy, understanding what it is like to rely on assistive technology to access your content on the web and figure out what it is that we can do to really improve that experience, especially with our own content that we control. Each video is going to feature a problem and a solution, or a poor experience and an improved experience. I may also include videos that simply demonstrate what a certain experience is using the screen reader. This series is simply meant as an experiment or a demonstration of each of these little elements, these little experiences that people have with using this screen reader. Feel free to use this as a reference guide. It is not going to be complete or comprehensive, but I do hope to make this a vast repository of references so that you can see how simple changes that we make can improve or detract from the experience of those using screen readers to access our content. Now, since this series is actually totally dedicated to these demonstrations, I will be linking videos at the end of each video if they're available to give some more context on what the problem is and the solutions that are provided, or some of the solutions that are thought of at the time of recording for improving that experience. So I hope this helps with your efforts and my efforts to spread awareness, to increase the inclusion, and to help with accessibility across the web. Without further ado, let's just get started. I recommend taking a look at this video first as we're looking at heading levels. You can, of course, check out the entire playlist here as well.